In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix message notifications sound in iPhone. So to fix your message notification sound in iPhone, this is what you can do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to open up your settings on your iPhone. So let's open up my settings. So once you open up your settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down. You are going to see where it says notifications. So I want you to tap on that notifications. So once you tap on the notifications, because we are here to fix or set up the message notification sound, so we have to scroll down and tap on messages. So you can see we have messages here. So I want you to tap on messages. So once you tap on messages, this is what you can do. If you want to check the top, as you can see, allow notifications, you want to make sure this is turned on. So once you turn on the allow notifications, that's the first step. The second step, always deliver immediately. Tap on critical alert, turn it on. Turn on time sensitive notifications also. Then come down here. Under here, you're going to see where it says sounds. I want you to tap on that sounds. So once you tap on the sound, select any sound or any tone you want. Then go back, and once you select that, make sure the show previews is on default. Notification grouping is on automatic. Once you do all of this, the sound will start working immediately. So guys, this is how you can actually fix message notifications sound on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.